Alamance County checking in on the families there, cleaning up after making repairs on their property. Haley, the good news out of all of this is that no one was hurt.
Yeah, a lot of fortunate people, especially here on Dixon Lamb Road. But I do want to show you this tin equipment shed behind me. You can see how the wind just kind of knocked everything over. And then if we go on the other side, it's hard to see right now, but if you check right over here, these two tractors are the only thing holding this structure up. Literally the only thing. You can see right under here, some of the tractors are caught underneath the roof. These storms rolled in just as this family finished making repairs on the damaged barns and fences from last year's tornado.
It's going to set back pretty hard.
Robbie Dixon has a mess on his hands.
This is where we keep about most of all of our equipment.
His equipment shed is destroyed and some of his tractors are caught under it.
100-year-old trees, uprooted, knocked the fences down.
His crops were also damaged.
You'll see it right there. It is broken and it's laying over just like it.
The fourth-generation farmer spent the last 24 hours trying to keep his cattle and the farm up and running.
A lot of heartache.
This is what the Dixon family farm in southern Alamance County looked like in 2020 when another tornado ripped through their land.
And that took about 3 months and that was done. And we were just now getting back up and getting pretty strong and getting going.
Dixon knows there is hard work ahead of him, but he's thankful things were not worse.
Everybody's alive, cows are good. We'll just pick up and go again. That's all we can do.
He's grateful for the support from good neighbors.
We have a very tight-knit community. I don't know how many people were over here yesterday. I really ain't got no words for it. I appreciate it.